The Protohistory section covers a period from the Bronze Age to the Iron Age. This period ended with the Roman conquest. The metallurgy of bronze broke out around the year 1800 BC in Western Europe and enabled the manufacture of arms and high-performance tools. The sites and their home furnishings from the final Bronze Age, which ranged from the 13th to the 8th century BC, are quite numerous in Luxembourg. For example, the settlements at Nospelt or Dudelange-Buddersberg, or the graves at Montparc and Remerschen, and so on. Halfway through the 8th century BC, the metallurgy of iron was introduced in Western Europe. In Luxembourg, the archaeological indicators of the ancient Iron Age period are predominantly of funeral order. The recent civilization phase of Hunsrück Eifel, dating from 450 to 250 BC, is illustrated by several important graves of members of the Celtic aristocracy. The main part of the Protohistory section is devoted to the end of the Celtic era, that is to say the last part of the European Iron Age, which dates from the 1st century BC. The major event of this period is the birth of the first urban character housing structures of the Celtic world. These Gallic towns, which are called oppida in Latin, first appeared in the middle of the 2nd century BC. Thanks to these, oppida, political, economic and religious power moved from the countryside to the city. The country of Luxembourg offers some key archaeological sites regarding the final decades of the European Iron Age. For example, the aristocratic tombs of Goblange-Nospelt and the necropolis of La Madeleine of the Oppidium of Tittelberg. This fortified site of Tittelberg was the capital of Treveri, a powerful Celtic tribe. The Clemency Funeral Chamber is one of the largest and best known funeral chambers to date in the Gallic world. The information collected at the time of the digs lets us better understand the complex funeral rituals of the Gallic aristocracy. An upheaval of the Celtic world took place during the War of the Gauls. The war carried out from 58 to 54 BC by Julius Caesar led to progressive Romanization of the Treveri land.